Good morning. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if this is your first, not your first time here. Please remember to subscribe. It definitely helps the channel algorithm, lets YouTube know to recommend my videos to other people, and grows our community. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and today I am just going to be updating Thursday and then planning out Friday. And this is the I always spell it wrong. No, I always say it wrong. Inamio planner. I'll have it tagged down below. I got it off of Amazon. It's a weekly layout, very similar to the Hobonichi cousin, but it is not on the same style of paper. So this paper is a little toothier. It's still slick, but it's not like the Tomoe River paper. I've done some pen swatches in here and some marker swatches. So if you haven't watched those videos and you are interested in adding this book to your 2025 lineup, definitely go ahead and take a look at that. So I'm going to grab my Uniball 1 and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in there to right about there. Perfect. And then the same over here. I'm going to fill this in for yesterday. How was everybody's Thanksgiving? If you celebrate Thanksgiving. Ours was really good. Wes went to our daughter's house for Thanksgiving. I worked, but it was perfect because I was able to kind of eat with, both of the shifts that were leaving and coming on. So it was actually a really nice day. And I got caught up on a bunch of work because most people think because it's a holiday, we're closed. So I was able to get some additional things that I don't normally get done. And I'm debating today, because it's Black Friday, if I want to take down my fall decorations, during my lunch hour and just reset for Christmas, or if I want to just reset and have it be clean in my office. I don't do a lot of decorating, but I do, I do a little bit. So I don't know. I've been going back and forth, honestly. My fall decorations were really minimal. In fact, I brought some of this was all I did. I'll show you. It was just a string of leaves and I put it around my whiteboard with some twinkle lights, and that was my fall decor. I like saying decor. I don't know why. Anywho's what's it. This morning I'm filming. We're here. I'm actually doing this. Dun, dun, dun. I like it when a plan works out. And then I need to upload and edit. So anyway, do you normally set up, if you celebrate Christmas, if you observe Christmas, do you usually set up your tree the day after Thanksgiving? Do you wait longer? Do you do it before? There have been years before, because Wes goes to Baja every year to do the 1000 in November, I will set up the entire house in Christmas and I will have multiple trees. This year, it just wasn't, for whatever reason. I just wasn't feeling it. I'm thinking, is that my creek? I've got a creek over here. No, I might have Wes put a little putty back there. Also a name I like, putty, a word, putty. Or I could just quit resting my arms on the desk. What fun would that be? All right, upload and edit, and then I need to pack a lunch. I've actually been doing really good this week, taking lunch with me. The other thing about decorating for Christmas at work, I like to keep everything neutral. I know I'm popping around. I like to keep everything neutral, and I don't really have anything neutral. My granddaughter and I last year decorated my work tree here at the house, and then I transported it in. My work tree is like 4 foot tall. It's just it's like 4 foot tall. It's just a baby. It's perfect. But we didn't do that this year. I don't know. It's not like I'm feeling bah humbug. Don't get me wrong. I've already been Christmas shopping. I've already been like in the holiday spirit. And maybe today I will take my iPad and during my lunch I'll, cram in a Hallmark movie to get me like grooving in the right direction, play some Christmas music, that kind of thing. But I'm wondering where you guys are at this year. Like, where are you feeling decorating and putting a tree up and all that jazz? Chicago's playing, I think, next year where we live. So I'm excited to go see that. Yeah, squirrel. Squirrel. My cup of coffee is almost gone. That's why, because I have had more than half a cup of coffee already. All right, and then I need to shower and then work. Wes was so sweet yesterday and took me to work, which was awesome. I love when he spoils me like that. It was super foggy, so he was excited to use my new Baja lights that he had installed on my car, and I was just excited to have somebody take me to work. So, and it actually worked out well because once he got done at our daughter's, he just came and picked me up at work, and I was ready to go, and it was good timing. I need to figure out before 2025 what I am going to use this space down here for and this space up here for. I imagine I could do the weather up here, boom, boom, but down below here, what do you guys recommend? Should I do journaling, like finish out the day, or start the day with like a gratitude entry, or finish the day with like a highlight of the day? Either one of those sounds amazing. Amazing. So yeah. And then I need to add to this pile because like I said, I've been doing Christmas shopping. So I've got Planner Kate. I got that one. I got my Pen Gems. And then I have Coffee Monsters Co. coming. And then I have too many Amazons coming. Too many. I've got cat food coming today, which I love the subscribe and save because then I just don't have to worry about the kids starving the cats. It just comes every week, and then if it gets like too much, we can stop it for a week or whatever. But yeah, I really like that convenience. I'm getting really into convenience lately. Really into convenience. Just make life easier so that I have more time to do my hobbies and things that I really enjoy. Spending time with my family, crocheting, planning, adventuring, hanging out with Wes. It's just the easier I can make it to not have dedicated time that I can just play around with, the better I am, like the happier I am. So I don't know why that was a tangent. Anyway, that is the look of this week. It is a very functional planner. I am not trying to, decorate this all out with stickers and washi tape. I really like how minimalist it is right now. Will that change throughout 2025? Maybe, maybe not though. I really have enjoyed this layout in this book. The Uniball 1 is an excellent pen to write with in here. It doesn't smear, it doesn't smudge. Everything is really nice. There's very minimal ridging, and I am a super hard writer. Like I press really firm, minimal ridging. So highly recommend it, especially for the price. If you're looking at, changing your planners, this is a really good price point. And it looks like I need to go in here pretty soon and set up December in here because there is December. The other thing I really like about this, it's a Monday start calendar and everything is really super neutral. There's no real screaming at you pop of color. I would say the brightest color in here is going to be this green, marking what week you're on. And I know I already did a flip through, but I just wanted to show you since we're both here. If you're looking at getting this planner, I highly recommend it. I've enjoyed it very much. And you can move in now. Like it is move in ready. You've got the whole month of December in here. In fact, next week is the first part of December. December 1st is on Sunday. Holy moly macaroni. So yeah, if you got it, you could move into it December and then have the the rest of 2025. I love it. Anyway, I will probably set up the month of December tomorrow morning, maybe tonight when I get home from work, and make sure you see it. Again, it's going to be very minimal. I'm excited to put it together. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you have wonderful leftovers and lots of great stories. I love you, and I'll see you down in the comments. Bye.